I was able to try a new thing today, which is fluid art. I never knew how to do it. I always thought it was a big mess. So I used my old nail polishes instead and I came up with this. This may not be a great first, but I think I have the confidence now to try this with the acrylic colors. This was with the nail polishes that were basically just lying around, getting really old and dry. So wow, I think for that this turned out to be absolutely great. So I am going to try new things in this 21-day lockdown, and yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. And why not you also let me know what you have been up to. This is not an easy time, and I think a little art won't do us any harm at all. Trust me guys, be home, stay safe, and if you can, why not share, why not like and subscribe. Thank you guys, bye.